The first time I held you, I knew that my life would never be the same. It was such a special moment when I finally picked your name. I brought you home and then I knew I'd be so lonely without you. I was not expecting to find my world in your reflection, but now you're 1 year older, I'll try my best to say.
And today, we're celebrating a very special birthday. It's Sugar's 3rd birthday. And we're going to make something completely scrumptious for her. This is going to be a full-on meal. Okay, we have ½ cup of pureed yams, a handful of broccoli, carrots, arugula, ginger, celery, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, shredded cabbage, spinach, parsley, homemade pumpkin puree, and let's not forget 1 cup of beef broth. And for the main ingredient and protein, ground goat meat. We're gonna take all these ingredients and we're gonna throw them in the crock pot. We're gonna let it simmer throughout the day. And right before Sugar's food is ready, the last 10 minutes of it, we're gonna add the arugula, the parsley, and the spinach. Take them all, throw them in the crock pot, and let's get crocking. All right, it's ready, and we're about to boil this up for her. Let me tell you, the aroma, it smells so good. All right, we got ourselves a really healthy meal for her. This is human grade food, which basically means you can eat it as well. I'm gonna eat some myself. Okay, it's really good. It's just missing salt. Now comes the time to give Sugar some food. Okay, Mama, are you ready? Happy birthday, Sugar. Good girl. All right, let me remove your birthday candles. You don't want to eat those. And if you wanted to, you can also mix in ½ cup of kibbles. So never say your dog doesn't eat vegetables. There's a way to make them eat the vegetables, and this is it. When we're done, we're gonna take you somewhere special since you are dressed up for the occasion.
Try my best to say happy birthday to the one who never leaves my side. You're more than just a dog, you're kind of my entire life. We will celebrate in all of your most favorite ways. Let's make some memories that stay. So happy birthday. Go and get a pop cup, you'll lick it up and you'll have the perfect day. Roll down the window, stick your head out, go to the park where you can play. I'll dress you up and take a pic with your new toy. You'll rip up